Where'd that go?
Hello, welcome back. Just got this from next door. It's been standing for a few years. And we just thought we'd give it a go. All I've done so far is managed to get the petrol cap off, sort of stuck on, rusted on, and took the air filter off. That's all we've done so far. But the petrol stinks. You drain this out, mate. Yeah. So we thought we'd give it a go just to see if we can get it far. The choke's stuck. I'm going to tap out this stuff and move it. We've drained all the old petrol out, it leaves this stink. It's the same as the one we had before. Right, I'm going to see if I'm going to stick the choke. Oh, that's good. That's right there. We got any throttle movement?
No.
Oh, not really, but something there. Don't know if that's starting or stopping it. Right, I'm going to spray some carb cleaner in the carbons if we get a fire. Let's go and get the carb cleaner. Right, I'm going to put some carb cleaner in it and see if it'll fire up on it. You never know. I suppose we ought to put a cap out on the tank just in case it backfires. Oh. So it'll only burn, won't it? It burns, I'm not wasting fire extinguisher on it. So I don't know if that's on or off or not. Let's see. Oh, let's try a bit more in it.
Dad.
Yes, mate.
Milo.
If you want. If he's not in the way, just leave him, Lou. I'll leave him, Lou. Alright. Don't fire, we'll take the plug out and have a look.
Milo, come
They soon move it fires. Let's take the plug out and have a look at the plug. All I've done is opened the plug up a little bit more and then cleaned it. That's how it was. And spray some down here. Got crap in here, so I don't want to drop in that. Won't do it up properly, I'll just leave it. Hopefully we've got a spark, we'll get a bang, won't we? Put some in there. Should have nothing there. Right then, mate. I'm not going to do that. Camera bit to this side, mate. Right, ready? We'll try something else, shall we? Let's try something else. Right, found another plug. It's only a workshop one. Trade one, so it's nothing special. I'm going to try that actually. I've got a bit more crap in it because I pumped it out, it's drying, so it's drying it. Don't leave it on the grass. I don't want to hit it with the mower. The idea is, if we can get it going, this is a spare engine for the. Do you know what? I did put the bloody lead on it last time, didn't I?
No.
I didn't.
No.
You're joking me.
Just
Did I not put the lead on it last time?
No.
You. Why didn't you say something? You sure?
I'm sure.
Oh, we'll watch your footage back in. Right, let's give it a go then. Give it a bit of choke so it makes a difference. No. Oh, I thought there was a cat behind you. Ain't. Oh, I'm having one of them moments. Must be the heat getting to me. Well, we haven't got a spark, so I've just undone the case. You want to take the case off in, Lou? You're laying in my jacket and you're going to sleep there. Anything in there? Right, I'll take you around the other side. Oh, bloody great spider. You didn't see that here, did you, Lou?
No, I didn't.
Right, let's put the tripod down. Hang on, hold on for the bumpy ride. Hold on. I'll get it down. You can see that big old spider. Big old spider right there. Right there. I should imagine that's why we ain't got a spark, mate, because of the rubbish on there. Oh, my hose popped off my compressor. So we set it in and pop, and something air come out of it, where the heat got to it. Right, we're going to clean this up now, and then we'll give it another go. There's the spider. The biggie, isn't he? You see him? Lou would have crapped his pants if he'd have seen it when he took the cover. Oh, there he goes. Right, we'll stop fiddling around with that for a minute because we still can't get spark from it. So, this is the one with what we're doing it for. We're trying to get the engine going to go on until we think it's seized. Well, I'm pretty sure this is seized and the gearbox is seized on the thing. But so we're just undoing the engine mount where you can adjust it. You bolt this side, bolt that side. So we'll get this one's quite loose, well, ish. And then we're just doing this one. And the whole engine lifts up. So we've done that. And then we're going to try to get his belt off somehow. Wasn't planning on doing any of this. Oh, that's easy enough, isn't it? Right. The drum turns, so I don't think it's, have a look at the viewfinder, see if you can see the drum and that. That's all turning lovely, so yeah, so that's all turning. Gearbox is fine. That make a lovely steering box for your mower. A bit slow, I reckon, but coming the other way, I suppose. Yeah, so it looks like this is seized. Oh well, let's whip it off and have a proper look, shall we? Turn the camera off, mate. While you're thinking about it, one of these has got points, this one. Can you undo this one? Yeah. I've just chucked it down there, Lou. Don't worry about it, mate. Right, take it off. Watch them giant spiders. Oh, I think there's a lot in there. There you go. So, shall we whip this cord off and put it on the other one? Yeah. Yeah, well, we might have to end up taking this one apart and seeing if we can unseize it. I'm not. Oh! There you go. Nothing wrong with that, look. Oh! Yeah, Lou, got it going, mate.
Yeah, a bit quick.
Oh, I'm wondering, should we see if we can stick a bit of rope on it and see if we can pull it over and see if we get a bump, bump, bump? Yeah? Yeah? Worth a go, isn't it? Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? That's all sun gone.
Probably the dog.
Yeah, I don't know what that donk was. I'll be amazed if that runs. Hey, what the hell? We'll give it a go. Right, I'm going to cut a bit of rope and where's my rope? Is it in the garage or in the down?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know.
You cut the rope yet?
No, I cut it and fitted it to that. Fitted it. Right, we're going to find a bit of rope and we'll be back. Right, just found a little bit of rope, but it's a bit short. Do you want to spray some more of that crap in it? That carb cleaner. Yeah, hello. I'm filming, by the way. I'm filming, by the way. You're just going to like that? Just going to like the barbecue. Right, you spray some in there, mate?
Yeah.
I wonder if we just dropped a valve or something. If that's why it all of a sudden went where that clonk was, because we ain't had it since. Just want to make a little comment actually while we were talking. As you know, in the update video, I happened to be talking about somebody who sent me some questions. Another channel. And I said I was doing something with a hater. Well, I watched the video what he did, and he says all the answers I give him, he said come from hater. So I might have to alter my name now to Hater. Just thought it was a bit funny really, for why he put it and made it like a little thing that looked like he got a message from Hater. But all the answers he got was from me. So he better not ask me any more questions because I thought it was a bit rude. Right, shall we give it a go? As you can see that on there, though. Doesn't seem to have a lot of compression, does it? At least we broke a ring. Could have broke a ring, couldn't we? Just... No, look. What we'll do is spray a little bit more in. We'll wind this plug right down. We'll wind it right there. Where's the pluggy spanner? Oh. Yeah, we weren't going to do this. This is like a bank holiday Sunday. I do. It's bank holiday Sunday and been cutting the grass and stuff. And that come up and I thought, oh, it's ideal because Keith's bringing me some ballast over tomorrow. So I'm going to put a little ramp outside the workshop. And this bit of rope isn't very ideal, but it's some work's laying on Lou's wristwatch. Did I just tighten it out? I did, didn't I? Make sure we've got... No, that doesn't even fit it, Lou. That's that other plug, isn't it? Oh, that's why. Oh, not to worry. Not to worry. Watch yourself. Don't seem like it's got a lot of compression on it. Now I might have done the rings. Mine it. I wonder if it's worth taking the head off. Stop the video then, we'll get a spanner and we'll take the head off. Oh, might as well show you the head coming off. We've got nothing to lose because this engine, as far as I knew, was knackered anyway. So I've got nothing to lose by whipping the head off. It don't take a couple of minutes. So, like, so we're going to have a barbecue this afternoon, and then so hot that we decided to leave it later. But I ain't had nothing to eat today. I've also gone out and picked up a little arc welder and another little, what do they call it, a multi-tool thing, like a Dremel type thing, but cheap make. From where do we get it from? Lidl's or Aldi's? Lidl's, is it? I always get muddled up. Lidl's. I'll show you later on. I'm going to do a video on it. I was actually going to do it sort of now, but I started playing with this now. Like I say. Should have got a socket out, shouldn't I? It would have been quicker.
Yeah.
I'll stop videoing it and so a bit of film and then we'll... Right. It should never be tight. Not a lot of... I can't even tell you the thing off the top of my head at the moment, but it's not very... Not talking down like... Oh, there's plenty of oil in there. I wonder if the oil was just holding it back, and then also when we turn it on its side it drained out, I reckon. Oh, we've got a valve stuck. We've got a valve stuck. So that's why we're not getting any compression there then. Let's give it a little tap. So we've got nothing to lose with this engine. So we've got a valve stuck. It passes that carb cleaner. This is quite common if you like leave them over winter, they like a lawnmower and the valves up, sometimes they stick and you turn it over and they've got no compression. Needs a tapping stick really, mate. It's well stuck. It is well stuck, that valve. Right, we'll try something to free it, I think. Wait the camera off, mate, and we'll have a look back. Right, slit the barbecue. Now I'm going to take the carb off and see if I can get in the back and have a look, see what valve's stuck. Look, see, got my other boss out now. Louis going to get his mate, and I've got my other boss, haven't I? You're not smiling now. Hey, that's better, isn't it? That's better. Yeah. What? You sort that valve out, are you? Yeah? You're going to sort it out? Good. In there, but look, two idiots. Look, Louis trying to tell him what size. How do you tell the size of a spanner, right? And then I've just asked him to get me a pair of pliers, and look, they don't know. They don't know. I don't understand kids today. Hey?
You can talk for yourself.
That's the end of part 1. I didn't have a proper ending to the video because we lit the I lit the barbecue and we had the barbecue. So this is the end of part 1, and we'll see in part 2 what happens next. So if you want to see it, subscribe. Don't forget to ring the little bell, and I shall see you next time. Take it easy. Bye bye.